Okay, hi everyone. This is the UK Fireworks Repository, and we're taking a quick look at the Mars Selection Pack, which is part of the Elite range from Cosmic Fireworks. So this is a Category 3 selection pack, and as you can see the total content is 722 grams NEC. I think this is a particularly good value at the price I paid for it in Chaplin's, £29.99. I've seen it going up to about £50. It may well be worth this, but it's hard to tell as I haven't fired the box yet. So you might be able to tell I've had a quick rummage around in this before the video, and somehow with some dark magic I've actually managed to package it almost back as it was originally. Anyway, we're going to just take a quick look through all the different fireworks, see what kind of variety there is in the box. So let's start. This is Star Cluster, which is a combination of fountain and mine at 15 grams. Feels quite heavy. Then we have Demon Firefly, which is a fountain at 28 grams. We've got Star Strobe, which is a shot tube, obviously, at 9 grams. Then we've got this quite satisfyingly heavy Amber Dawn, which is a fountain at 28 grams, which seems fairly reasonable. We've then got Moon Dust, which is a fountain at 38 grams. Now on to a couple of the conical fountains. So this is Eruption at 20 grams NEC. And very similar, we've got another Eruption at 20 grams NEC. Some of the smaller pieces, we've got two fountains here. They're both 16 grams. We've got Nebula and Twinkle. And then at 18 grams, we've got Astro, also a fountain. Then we have Quadrant, which is a battery of fountains, so we're quite fountain heavy here, as you would expect from a selection box. 30 grams NEC, fairly decent size, I'd say. And rather flimsy feeling Demon Firefly at 28 grams, also a fountain. Sounds a bit concerning. Then we've got Moon Dust. I feel like we've already done one called Moon Dust. Not very imaginative, but never mind. 38 grams NEC fountain, so it's a reasonable size. I think you're not going to be complaining about the name of the firework, more interested in its performance. Then we've got Colourful Starlights, a 4-shot Roman candle at 9.6 grams. Then we have just Starlights, which is 22.4 grams NEC and is an 8-shot candle. Then we have Satellites, which is 9 grams NEC and is a 3-shot candle. Crikey, still going. Okay, so on to some of the bigger pieces now. This is Constellation, which is a fountain at 50 grams NEC. Seems like a reasonable size and probably why it defines this selection box as part of the Elite range. We've got Orion, also a fountain, 45 grams NEC. Then another Orion, probably different colours, 45 grams NEC. We then have Sputnik, which is a battery of fountain at 92 grams NEC. which I think is very reasonable. Then we have Sonic Mine, which is a combination of fountain and mine, which I'm very excited to see. This is category 3 and 81 grams NEC. Feels very chunky. Then we've got the rather large size but very light Solar Lights, ironically, Solar Light, which is battery of fountain at 32 grams NEC. And we finish up with Nirvana, which is very heavy and is a battery of shot tube. Okay, so the final piece is a miniature cake and it's category 2, 36 grams NEC. And that's it. That's all the pieces. Feels relatively good, maybe a bit fountain heavy. I think we'd all expect that. But some of the fountains, if not all of the fountains, are reasonably sized. So I'm very much looking forward to firing it.